Question 29b. The mass m kilograms of a baby pig at age x days is given by m equals a outside of 1.1 to the power of x, where a is a constant. The graph of this equation is shown. So part 1, what is the value of a? Now the value of a occurs when x equals 0. So that's just the y-intercept, in fact. So looking at the y-axis, looking at where the graph intersects the y-axis, we have a is equal to 1.5. Part 2, what is the daily growth rate of the pig's mass? Write your answer as a percentage. Now we can either use the graph for that or we can just use the equation. In fact, it's probably easier to use the equation in this instance. And the way I'm going to write the equation is just a slight variation of the original equation. So we have the value of a now, which is 1.5, multiplied by, now instead of writing 1.1, I'm going to write this as 1 plus 0.1 to the power of x. Now this is quite interesting. This almost looks like the compound interest formula, doesn't it? So I'm going to write this a little bit differently again. 0.1 is the same as, or it's equivalent to 10%. So we can see here that as each day goes past, the mass is in fact increasing by 10%. Let me just write this one more time. Again, a different way, just so you can see that this is really just 110% to the power of x, which is just an increase of 10% each day. So the daily increase or the daily growth rate is equal to 10%.